Good morning, student of class 8. Today we will complete exercise of chapter 6, cats and dogs. In exercise here given present, past and future tense. First present tense here given. Tense, simple tense, what is the when to use examples here to talk about universal truth. Each planet moves around the earth. Present continuous to talk about action in progress. Like this present perfect tense, present perfect continuous, then past simple past to talk about an action that is started. Continuous to refer to a situation which continue to happen for a limited period of time. Next, past perfect tense to refer some actions that took place before another past action, so it's past in the past. So like this. Now future tense. Future tense, what is simple future tense? To talk about some future event. Continuous to talk about some action event that will be happening at some. Now future perfect to refer to the completion of some future action at certain time, like this. Okay, remember it. What is the remembering point? Study it properly. Okay, we usually use will in the sentence that I think I am. So like this. After that, use of simple present tense to talk about something which is certain and scheduled to take place in the future. Now, so study it, page number 82 and 83, study it properly. Okay. Now after that there are some exercise A, B and C related to tense. Complete the following sentences by using the appropriate forms of verb, phrase or class to indicate the action in the future. Action in the future, it's very easy. See, gap, join. Okay, which tense suitable to it. Next, fill in the blanks with the suitable verbs of the tense. She, gap, learn Bharatnatyam these days, like this. Okay, C, fill in the blanks by using suitable tense or expression. So A, B and C, do this and by the help of tense complete it. And now difference between simple past and present perfect tense. Here differences are given, so study today. And after that, again exercise D of also you have to complete it. And after that, spell well. Spell well, here is some incomplete word given here, so in the help box already given, so with the help of help box you have to complete all the 6 words. One is chap, inconvenient, mildly, forces, sarcastic, follies. And after that, word power. Word power, gender equality in English language. Okay, so the increasing demand for gender equality has had an effect on English grammar and vocabulary. Earlier we used to say he or she and his, her when you use a person. Okay, here is actually uses of it. He when his is used, her is used, she, okay, etc. And after that, find out at least 5 such words and title that with the help of your teacher, which can now be used for both males and females. Okay, do if you can. Now, activity for speaking and listening. Actually, there is a para given to you on the page number 177. First read the para properly, and after that, with the help of the para, try to solve it. There are 6 questions. Okay, in front of the question, answer in front of the question, write the answer in a short way. First, for whom are the services dogs a great help? So in the page number 177, it's also given. And actually converse and connect. Here is the activity of speaking. There is a conversation between two, Jenny and Sazia. Okay, Jenny is saying, I am very sad today. I have cannot find my pet cat. Sazia, what happened? Did your pet cat get lost? Jenny, I think so. I am looking for her since morning. Sazia, what's the name of your cat? Shini, I am really missing her. She's a lovely cat. Shazia, okay. What does she look like? Okay, like this you have to complete it. with the help of your brother or sister. Okay, do complete this activity at home. Okay, it will improve you. Now some more lines are here of conversion connect column. Now pronunciation practice. Here are some word given, so at least 2 times pronounce it loudly. First word catastrophe, second scientific, third accountant, fourth expenditure, fifth petition, allegation, superintendent. Next word hostile. And after that punctuation. Okay, punctuation completely read the following passage using capital letters, comma, inverted comma, full stop. Okay, like this. So and capital letters. So complete it in it, correct it. Okay, like this. Okay, up to page number 87 completed, and 88 and 89 two more pages are left. Tomorrow I will do. Okay, thank you for today and have a nice day.